Welcome back, JDM fam. Thank you guys for watching. Got a new part for the FK8 Civic Type R. Let's go check it out right now. So here's the new part. My wife bought this for me for my birthday. This is the DEVSPORT splitter, which I'm really excited, guys. So I didn't realize you're gonna have to pull off the bumper to actually install this. So that is one more step I didn't want to do, but I do want to do this right and get it to look perfect on the car. So we're going to be pulling the bumper off. Look out for the install video, guys. Should be up in a day or two, a couple days maybe. I just have to film it, and I just wanted to show you guys what I have for the Civic Type R. So if you guys look here, I was like, what is this? Recycled plastic or something? Why is there a bunch of wording on here? So I was actually freaking out because I was sitting here and I was like, why would there be so many words and so much busyness on here? But then I realized it's on the plastic. So underneath, there's just black. So I believe this is blacked out aluminum. So it's going to look really good. It shouldn't add much weight. And I think it's going to look great, guys. So look out for the video. On the reviews, all of the pictures look great with the splitter on it on the FK8 Type R. So we're going to get out and test fit it. And I can't wait, guys. So look out for the install video. I'm going to test fit it as well and show you guys what it looks like. And yeah, I'm really excited about it though. Okay, this is a really rough test fit. I just threw a couple boxes underneath it just to see really quick what it looked like. But I have to say, it looks really mean. Definitely excited, guys. Look out for the install. Like I said, we're going to get this thing installed, but I am so excited to see what this thing looks like because it definitely does make it look a lot more aggressive. So yeah, it's going to look great. So yeah, I'm going to get started on it, film the video, and then you guys will see the full install. Everything from taking the bumper off, installing it, drilling the plastic holes, which have to go into the bottom of the bumper for this to fit. And I think it's going to look great, guys. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And if you guys are running the DEVSPORT splitter, and I'll see you guys on the next video.